Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. We're taking a little exercise today. We're taking a little jog.
No, we go see the ducks. Just don't go too close. Thing again.
What?
That thing, a possum. You see that possum?
Yeah, I don't know why it's over there.
Look, let's get a footage.
Nicholas, you're not supposed to go. Them things will attack you. So you go over there and get attacked. Novi, we not going over there because that's dangerous. Something is wrong with your dad. He always doing stuff he not supposed to be doing. Nicholas, I'm telling you, if that thing, I'm about to move. I'm not even finna play it. Nicholas, what are you doing? Why are you following it? Something's wrong with him. Come on, Novi, let's go. Yeah, let him follow it, and then it's gonna attack him. Come on. Where are we leaving him? Want your hoodie? Oh, I have a hoodie too. Why would she be cold? What's over here? That wind is winding though. That wind is winding. I don't know if you want to go all the way up there. I'm kind of scared to go up here, I'm not going to lie. Because if something pop out on me. Come on, you got to come closer. If something, you think we should turn back around?
No, why you scared? Ain't got nothing.
Nicholas, are you crazy? There's dares out here. And you know that.
Well, yeah.
And if a dare pop out on us, you not fighting no dare. I'm not fighting no dare. Nova not fighting no dare. We all gonna be running and screaming. So, yeah. But this is how it's gonna be when we go camping. So I mean,
Yeah, when you're camping in the woods.
okay, yeah, but there's people. There's no people. It's just us right now.
You can feel like the temperature is a little colder.
No, it's not. It feels warmer.
Yeah.
I'm tired. I can't do all this damn walking. Hold on. I don't think Novi. Catch up, Novi. Come on. Catch up, catch up. Catch up.
You can hear the birds. Chirp, chirp.
Okay. I think that's it. Once we reach the top of this hill, then we gotta turn. We gotta turn. Oh, there's people over there.
Yeah.
What are they doing? You know, Kevin.
Chill.
I'm out of breath. I never would have thought would have been people all the way over here. You know, I never even came up this far. We never came up this far. Is that a grill? It's kind of whack though, grilling over here. Like, if that is a grill.
Yeah, when it get nice.
Yeah, but ain't nothing to do. So why would you come over here and grill? It's not like it's anything over here. Unless you finna bring a bouncy house or bring some activities. Yeah, look, it got tables and grills.
To have a little picnic. What this?
You want to have a picnic. Right. You want to have a picnic. Not in these type of woods. I ain't having no picnic.
You sound like a woodpecker. Try to eat up. You can have anything in this woods.
You need to watching over
Yeah.
before something jump out.
Yeah, she having too much fun.
I'm out of breath. All right, guys. So I just wanted to take you guys on a little walk with us in the woods. As you can see, we're being adventurous. We're going camping soon, so we're practicing. Come on, stop playing with stuff. We don't have time for that. We trying to get up out of these woods. So please like, comment, subscribe, share, press that notification bell so you can get notified every time we drop a video.